Transferring Amex points to Star Alliance Airlines can be a great way to redeem your rewards for flights. To start, you need to have an American Express card that earns membership rewards points, such as the Platinum or Gold card. First, log into your American Express online account and navigate to the Membership Rewards section. Here, you can view your points balance and explore transfer options. Star Alliance has several partner airlines, including Aeroplan, Avianca, and Singapore Airlines, that you can transfer your Amex points to. You need to choose the airline you want to transfer your points to and click on the transfer option. Before transferring, make sure you have enough points in your account to complete the transfer. The transfer ratio for Amex points to most Star Alliance airlines is 1:1. But this may vary depending on the airline. Once you have selected the airline and confirmed the transfer ratio, enter the number of points you want to transfer and click Continue. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The transfer process typically takes a few days to complete, but this may vary depending on the airline. After the transfer is complete, you can log into the airline's website to book your flights using your transferred points. It is essential to note that transferred points are subject to the airline's loyalty program terms and conditions, so make sure to review these before transferring your points. Additionally, consider the transfer fees and any potential devaluations before making a transfer. To get the most value out of your Amex points, it is recommended to transfer them to airlines that offer the best redemption rates. For example, transferring your points to Aeroplan can provide great value for flights within North America, while transferring to Singapore Airlines can be beneficial for flights to Asia. In conclusion, transferring Amex points to Star Alliance Airlines can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Always review the transfer details and terms and conditions before confirming the transfer, and consider the best redemption options to maximize the value of your points.